Hi guys! Blessed day po sa lahat. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, para po ito sa mga new applicants ng Kaiser dito sa Hong Kong. So, pag meron po kayong new client, magsusulat po kayo sa isang papel ng new Kaiser application. So, plan type, ilagay nyo dyan kung anong type ng plan. Kung K100 and first payment, magkano yung policy fee, magkano yung name niya, and yung application number. Okay? And then, next po is, magpipill up kayo nitong form, itong remitter form. So, i-check po natin dyan yung new, kasi new applicant siya. And then, sulat po natin yung name, last name, first name, middle name, Hong Kong ID, telephone number, Hong Kong address, PH address, occupation, name of employer, source of fund niya, salary, and purpose of remittance, Kaiser payment, lagyan natin dyan, and email mo, and then yung date of birth, and then nationality. And then, lagay po natin yung date dito, and then signature. And then, ipapakopy po natin yung ID ng applicants. Okay? And then, after po nito, ito na po yung ibibigay natin kay Sir Rudolph. Ito po siya. Ibibigay natin po itong dalawang ito kay Sir Rudolph. Okay? And then, after that, so, may resibo na. Picturean po yung resibo. Pag napicturean na yung resibo, i-upload po natin yon. And then, waiting na po tayo for approval ni Kaiser. So, yun lang po. I hope na makatulong po ito sa inyo. Maraming salamat. Thank you. God bless everyone.